12 Major Risks of Artificial Intelligence (AI). Artificial intelligence (AI) is one of the most powerful technologies ever created. It can help cure diseases, improve education, and make our lives easier. But with great power comes great danger. As AI becomes more advanced, it also brings serious risks that could affect jobs, privacy, security, and even humanity's future. Here are the 12 biggest risks of artificial intelligence you need to know. 1. Job loss and unemployment. AI can perform many tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately than humans, from customer service to driving, writing, and even art. Machines are replacing people in many industries. As automation increases, millions of jobs could disappear, leading to mass unemployment and social inequality. 2. Privacy invasion. AI systems collect huge amounts of data, your photos, voice messages, and location. This data can be analyzed to predict your habits, purchases, and even emotions. Governments and corporations can use AI to monitor citizens, raising serious concerns about privacy and freedom. 3. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI can create fake videos, voices, and images that look completely real. These deepfakes can be used to spread lies, manipulate elections, or ruin reputations. As deepfakes become more realistic, it will become harder to know what's real and what's fake. 4. Bias and discrimination. AI learns from data. But if that data is biased, the AI becomes biased too. For example, facial recognition systems have been shown to misidentify people of certain races more often. This can lead to unfair decisions in hiring, policing, or lending, making existing inequalities worse. 5. Security threats. Hackers can use AI to create smarter viruses, fake identities, or even automated cyber attacks. AI-powered hacking tools can learn and adapt faster than human defenders, making it harder to protect systems, banks, and national security networks. 6. Lack of accountability. When an AI makes a mistake, like causing a car crash or giving a wrong medical diagnosis, who is responsible? The developer, the user, or the AI itself? This lack of clear accountability is a major legal and ethical challenge. 7. Weaponization of AI is being developed for military purposes, including autonomous drones and robotic weapons that can identify and attack targets without human control. If misused, this could lead to deadly consequences and wars started by machines. 8. Human dependency. As AI handles more of our daily activities, humans are becoming more dependent on it. This could weaken our creativity, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking. Over-reliance on AI might make future generations less capable of functioning without it. 9. Economic inequality. AI is mainly controlled by a few big tech companies and powerful governments. They gain wealth and influence, while others are left behind. This growing AI divide could make rich countries richer and poor countries poorer, increasing global inequality. 10. Loss of human connection with AI-powered chatbots, virtual friends, and digital assistants. Many people are replacing real human interaction with machines. This could lead to loneliness, emotional detachment, and a decline in empathy across society. 11. Autonomous decisions. Some AI systems can make decisions without human approval. For example, self-driving cars or automated financial systems act in real time. If these systems make a wrong or harmful decision, the consequences could be catastrophic and impossible to stop in time. 12. Existential risk to humanity. This is the most serious danger of all. If AI becomes superintelligent, smarter than all humans combined, it might see humans as unnecessary or even a threat. Such a system could act on its own goals, potentially leading to outcomes that could destroy civilization as we know it. Conclusion: AI has the power to transform the world, but it also has the potential to destroy it if misused. These 12 risks of artificial intelligence remind us that innovation must go hand in hand with ethics, safety, and human control. We must ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests, not the other way around. If used wisely, AI could build a better future, but if ignored or abused, it could become one of the greatest dangers our world has ever faced.